Here's a what's on my phone as a new iPhone user. I have this case from Apple Beats. It's in pink and I absolutely love pink, so this has been my go-to case. It has MagSafe too, so that's really nice. And I added these stickers here to the back plate of my iPhone. These stickers I purchased when I was in Japan about 10 years ago, the first time I was there. I purchased these at Tokyo Hands, I believe, where they have all these like planners, stuff like that, stickers and things like that. So I bought those there. These are meant for planners, but I just thought they look super cute on my iPhone, so I've had them ever since. Now in my lock screen, I have this wallpaper here. I made this wallpaper with Canva and I have a tutorial on how you can do it yourself for free, or if you don't want to go through the trouble and you just want to pop in your pictures, I also have a template, so I'll leave those linked in the video. And then I have the time like this, like a glass effect. And on the first page here, I have the MD Widgets app. This app is super fun and convenient because it has so many super cute widgets to put on your phone. Now, do know that this is a subscription-based application. It's called MD Widget, and all I did was grab the Polaroid ones and kind of added pictures that I liked into it, and then you could just tap it and it cycles through the pictures. So I thought that was really fun and super cute. Then these widgets here are also from MD Widgets, and this one's right here, both the clock and the date. I think they just look super cute. You can customize the colors and how it looks, but I just think these are really fun. This one's also from MD Widgets. You can add your picture that you want as a background. I got this from Pinterest. I'll also have it linked in case you're interested. And then I just put a little motivation note saying, you know, discipline will get you there, not motivation. Just a friendly reminder to myself to be more disciplined with my posting schedule and things like that. And that feeling motivated, that sometimes you have to get to work even when you're not feeling motivated. So that's just kind of a little note that I added for myself. Sorry if my voice is a little off, but I'm not feeling the best today. Then below that, I got some app icon. I'll have everything linked in my beacons, but I grabbed these from Etsy and I just think they look super cute. They're super simple and they're pastel, so I just thought I went with my setup, and I'm always into pastels, so I just wanted to get these. And then over on my second page right here, I have a couple widgets as well. So to start off, I have all my social media with like icons here. The icon pack I got from Etsy didn't have an icon for Threads, which is an app that I use a lot. So all I did was I went ahead and used one of the filler icons that she made, and I put that on there, and I just think it looks super cute like that. And then next to that, I'm using this app called Structured to organize my life. I recently found out about this app and I'm really enjoying it and I like it a lot, so I added the widget for that. What's really fun about this app is when you're in your task and you're ready to get started, you can just click on it, and then it has this thing called Focus Now, and it starts the timer automatically for that task. So I just find this super useful to get organized when I'm working from home. And you can complete the task right from the widget itself as well, just by touching the task, and it will complete it for you. Then below that, I'm using the Ice Cream app, which is another like widget and customization application for your phone. And I've used that app both on my iPhone and on my Android phone, so that's pretty cool that it's available for both. And in this one, I created a stack. So this is a calendar one with a little heart and icon. You can customize this in the app itself, and then when you go and scroll down, I put a stacked widget. So then my next widget is one to my Notion calendar for all my content bank ideas, and I just find it super useful to have it there next to my calendar because then I can quickly get into work mode. Then I found the invitations app from Apple, which I found super cool. And it creates a little widget if you want to for the countdown for that event. And I made one for Galaxy Unpacked because I will be attending next week, so I'm super excited for that. And it tells me how much time is left until the event. Then below that I have this widget here which looks like a vinyl record, so it looks like that when it's playing a record. I think it's really cool and really fun. And then on my next page here I have another MD widget at the top, and this one just tells me some system information of my phone. And then here below that I have a little widget from Ice Cream to track my water intake, and every time I drink a cup of water I can tap it and it starts filling the water cup like that. And then next to that I have a widget for Pinterest, and I have it set to a specific board, and so that it switches every hour, and it just looks really cute. And then here in the bottom I have a widget for Apple Arcade, so it has all the games that I am recently playing, so I can quickly access them from here. So like for example, I'm playing Heartopia, so I can just click on it and it will just automatically start the game. And I think it's really cool. That's all that's on my iPhone right now. I'm having a lot of fun playing with it. Let me know in the comments if you have any app recommendations, any game recommendations that I should try, because I am a new iPhone girly, so I just want to try and make it even more fun. And thank you for watching today's video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!